Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video we are talking about how to fix Shark Robot Vacuum Error 9. Error 9 on a Shark Robot Vacuum typically indicate an issue with the clip sensors. These sensors detect edge and prevent the vacuum from falling down stairs or other drops. To fix the issue, here are some steps you can follow. First of all, you have to clean the clip sensors. For that, you have to turn off the vacuum and remove it from the charging dock. After that, you have to locate the clip sensor on the underside of the robot. Then you have to use a soft dry cloth or cotton swab After that, you have to use a soft dry cloth or cotton swab to gently clean the sensor. Avoid using any liquid cleaner as they may damage the sensor. After that, you have to ensure there are no obstacles blocking the sensor. Small debris, dust, or even pet hair can interface with the sensor functionality. After that, you can try to reset the vacuum. For that, you have to turn off the robot vacuum and wait for about 10 seconds. Then you have to turn it back on and see if the error persists. After that, you can also try to move to a new location. Sometimes the vacuum might have difficulty on specific surface or in certain areas. Move the robot to a different location and see if it's resume normal operation. After that, you can try to update the firmware. For that, you have to ensure your robot vacuum's firmware is up to date. Check the Shark app or manufacturer website for any update available. Hopefully this video helped you to fix the Shark Robot Vacuum Error 9. Thanks for watching.